If someone talks bad about you, it means he is insecure or jealous. There are many colorful flowers on the path of life, but the prettiest have the sharpest thorns. When the character of a man is not clear to you, look at his friends. The days that break you are the days make you. Nobody cares about your story until you win. When you understand the game, you don't panic. I know a lot, but I choose to keep quiet. The best way to ruin a relationship is to start figuring it out. By trying, we can easily learn to endure adversity. Silence is the best reply to a fool. A wise man will never tell a woman two things: his true feelings and his balance account. If you want to build a self-confidence, you have to do what you're afraid to do. Mistakes are painful when they happen, but years later a collection of mistakes, called experience, which leads you to height of success. The greatest gift you can give someone is your time, your attention, your love, and your concern.